I love when you come up with a snack idea that doesn't have crazy, difficult, obscure ingredients. This homemade snack is nutritious and delicious and can be made in just 5 minutes. First, I'm going to take our dates and cut off the very end and then slit down the middle. Then I'm going to open up the date and pull out the pit. Next, I'm going to hand the dates over to Julianne, and she is going to fill them with some peanut butter and chopped pecans. And yes, that is it. The beauty about this snack is that if you are allergic to any of the ingredients or you don't enjoy some of the ingredients, you can simply swap them out for whatever your family will enjoy. For example, if your family does not like peanut butter, switch it to almond or cashew butter. And if your kids don't enjoy nuts at all, you can simply swap out the nuts for raisins or chocolate chips, whatever they will like. And though you can enjoy these snacks right away, our favorite way is to store them in the freezer and pull them out one by one for an amazing, delicious treat whenever we need a little sweet snack.